Good afternoon all. In previous lecture we have discussed with mitosis. So let us discuss with the meiosis. So in the previous lecture I had told to you that meiosis is consists of two phases, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Here two-time division occur. That's why 4 cells are formed. So here let me tell you the first important points of meiosis. Meiosis mostly occur in the gonads. Gonads are also known as the germ cell producing organ. So mitosis occur everywhere in the body. Whereas meiosis occur only at the time of gamete formation, but mostly in the animals and mostly in the higher plants. Here for meiosis you remember one point. The genetic material replicate once. Here S phase occur only one time, but cell divides twice. As a result, from one cell 4 cells are formed. Meiosis occurs only and only in the diploid cells, but at the completion 4 cells are formed and all 4 cells are haploid in nature. That's why here it is also known as reductional division. So it is known as reductional division. Here Meiosis divided into two phases, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Here meiosis 1 is known as reductional division, whereas meiosis 2 is known as equational division. That is known as mitosis. So meiosis 2 is also known as mitosis. So here you remember that before entered in the meiosis division, first interphase occur. Okay, but two times cell divided. So when at the completion of the first division of the cell, interphase cannot occur. Second division is started. Fine. So let us discuss with the diagram. Let us discuss with the all the diagrams necessary for the meiosis. One by one we will check it in detail. Fine. Okay. Same color pen I can use that. So please understand it properly. One blue chromosome, one red chromosome. Here you know that nucleolus present. So dear all students, actually here in the mitosis diagrams I had labeled that. Similar color, same labeling is there here. Okay, so here these are the chromosome, this is centriole. So now I can draw the nuclear membrane and then surrounded by cell membrane here, and here inside that centriole is present. So this is known as parental cell. Now understand it properly, and if major important points are there that I can write at the bottom of the diagram and give the labeling of that particular stage in the cell. Fine. So now this parental cell enter in the interphase stage. Now see, from parental cell to interphase stage. So in the interphase stage, you know that chromosome become double. Actually, I told to you earlier, that I will tell you right now. Same thing. DNA is replicated, but there is a no change in the number of the chromosome. Fine. So here the genetic material become double, as well as centriole is also become double. Now we are entering inside the meiosis 1. Here from onwards little bit change occur. Okay. Whereas you know that in the mitosis this undergoes the prophase 1. Prophase, then metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So similar thing is here, but now here from this stage, interphase stage, now we are entering in the meiosis 1 phase. So you know that in meiosis 1, prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1 is there. So now from this onwards meiosis 1 is started, as well as prophase 1 start. So you know that in the prophase 1, 5 stages are there: lactotine, zygotine, pachytine, diplotin and dikinesis. Here lactotine phase, prophase, from that first is lactotine phase. So in lactotine phase chromosome condensation starts. Chromosome condensation starts. We can't see the chromosomes properly in this stage. So this is about the lactotine. Now zygotine. In lactotine phase, condensation of chromosome starts, nothing is there. More important point. Then after lactotine, zygotine is there. So zygotine is very important. Small chromosome is united with the small chromosome, large chromosome is united with the large chromosome. So pairing occurs. Pairing occurs of homologous chromosomes. This is known as synapsis. And complex structure is formed. It is known as synaptonymal complex. Okay. synaptonymal complex is formed in the zygote, so this is very important point. Now move to the next point. This is the very important point. So zygote phase in that synapse occurred and synaptonymal complex, you remember that. After zygote in packaging, what happened? The chromosomes are twined around each other. The homologous chromosomes are twined around each other, and this is known as crossing over. But remember that more length of the chromosome, more number of crossing overs are there. So if short chromosome is there, less number of crossing over sites. Fine. Actually, I will show you. Okay. Actually, this one chromosome and this is another chromosome. My finger, you understand that it is chromosome, and this is the cap of the marker. So I can put the crossing over site just in between the two fingers like this. So actually you see that the one chromosome is twined around the another chromosome, but it is connected to the crossing over site. and through this site from one chromosome the genetic information is transferred to the another chromosome also, like this. So you can see the chromosome like this, but actually it is in the opposite way. Okay, but at the crossing over site both the chromosomes are connected together. So in packaging stage crossing over occur. Now next is lactotin, zygotin, packaging. Now diplotin. Fine, we move in this way. In diplotin stage, chromosomes are now moved away from each other, but can be connected with together at crossing over site. In diplotin stage, the chromosomes start to move away from each other. Okay, but can be connected with each other at the crossing over site. So there is no change in that diagram. So little bit you show the chromosomes slightly away from each other. But now the next diagram is very important, dikinesis stage. So many points are here. This is known as dye kinesis stage. Yes, see properly. Chromosomes are free away from each other. Chromosomes are detached. New genetic combination. Nucleolus and nuclear membrane. Are disappear. Duplicated centriole move towards the polar region. Spindle fibers are formed. Okay, so here see that nuclear membrane disappear, nucleolus disappear, new genetic variation comes, fine, new genetic variation comes, divided centrioles move, divided centriole move towards the opposite pole, fine, and spindle fibers are formed there. So this is the dye kinesis and the phase of the prophase 1. So prophase 1 in that leptotin, zygotin, packaging, diplotin and dye kinesis, this many points are there. Now next is metaphase 1. So in metaphase 1, prophase 1 is completed. So revise that. In metaphase 1 what happened? All the chromosomes are arranged in the center of the cell. Metaphase plate is formed. Okay, so the diagram is here. Here blue chromosomes are nearer together. So over the red chromosome, blue small fragment is there. and over that blue red small fragment is there. Now in the metaphase stage, you know that kinetochores connected to the spindle fibers. Fine. So all the chromosomes are attached there. Now, so this is the metaphase 1. So now the anaphase 1, what happened inside this? Actually, here in anaphase 1, what happened? Spindle fibers become short. But the most important event is this. No division of centromere here. As a result, this blue chromosomes move towards this polar region and red chromosomes move towards this polar region. So I can draw that type of the diagram here. Fine. Okay, so this is the anaphase 1 and this is the metaphase 1. So here two chromosomes are moved towards this polar region, but here number of chromosomes are same. See here one red and one blue chromosome are there. So two chromosomes are there, but here number of the chromosomes are same, but half number of the chromosome than the parental cell. How? Here all blue is there. So count here only one blue and one red is there. So here only this side one blue chromosome is there, and here only one red chromosome is there. So now at the end of this anaphase 1, telophase 1, telophase 1. So here in the telophase 1 what happened? The same thing, new nucleolus, new nuclear membrane, and here you know that centrioles are there. Fine. So new nuclear membrane, new nucleolus are formed there, and the two nucleus are formed here, but this two nucleus consist the half number of the chromosome than the parental cells. Here the two nucleuses are formed, fine. So this nucleus consists the half number of the chromosomes than the parental cells, and that's why here the wall karyokinesis is over. Okay, wall karyokinesis is over, that is of meiosis 1, prophase 1, 5 stages we had discussed that, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. And now at the end of this, you understand So after the end of the telophase 1, interkinesis occur. And you know that interkinesis is nothing but cytokinesis. Okay, so in between the meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, here cytoplasm division notch is formed, and then two cells are formed. So these two cells are exactly resemble to the parental cell but consist the half number of the chromosomes. So here meiosis 1 up to that I explained that, fine. So meiosis 2, that we will carry on in the next lecture.